As an outdoor lover, when we jump into the car but encounter an unexpected situation. Introducing Timigo X1 4-in-1 Portable Car Combo Kit. The kit that all you need. Plug in the car jump starter adapter and quickly turn on the engine, and it's 1200 amps current capable for a variety of large vehicles. And now, here we go. Let's enjoy the stunning view on the way. But sometimes incident happens. X1 pumper can replenish the tire pressure in 2 minutes. Also, it detects air pressure and stops working when the air pressure reaches automatically, not only for car tires but also to inflate the ball, bicycles, mattresses, etc. Oops. Luckily, we have a vacuum cleaner. With a higher power motor, the X1 suction power up to 10,000 pascals. Combined with the brush head and extension bar, you can clean all spots in your car, including corners and hard-to-reach areas. It's time to enjoy and chill now. The X1 Portable Car Combo Kit has a USB output for daily use. It contains a battery of 10,000 mAh capacity for a long duration. X1 flashlight has various modes, including high and standard brightness, flashing, and SOS signal. The brightness can reach 300 lumens, fully meeting the outdoor and dark environment needs. So, why don't you put a handy tool in the trunk? Right, I mean, the Timigo X1 4-in-1 Portable Car Combo Kit.